What's going on, guys? So Manny back again with another video. Car's a little bit cold, so I'm not trying to do any pulls. Just driving to work, just a regular morning routine. So what's up with you guys, man? I'm just chilling. Nothing much. Same stuff. I got one more show that we're gonna be going to at the end of the month, Import Expo, and that's gonna be pretty much wrapping up the season. It's gonna be a good turnout, I think. Hopefully. This is probably my second time going to Import Expo. So the first time was an opener like a year ago, and now I'm gonna be going this year for the closer on Sunday. So I'll get you guys some content, and I will make sure I get some video of other builds and stuff like that I see that are pretty cool, and a cruise, of course, in the morning, and we'll get that going. Sorry if my voice is a little bit my nose is blocked because all this weather is changing and stuff. It was like, believe it or not, right now it's like 6 degrees, and then it's gonna be like 20 degrees in the afternoon. So like, I don't even know like how to get my outfit right, because like I'll be wearing like a sweater or like a jacket, and after that I don't even need it. So so yeah, guys, I've been good, man. I just gotta be it's gonna be a crazy content coming up soon. I promise you guys that it's gonna be so sick, man. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'm gonna be grabbing my coffee here. It's that low life. I definitely need to get a new GoPro, I think, man. I have the Hero 7, and I think it's time for an upgrade, to be honest, because Hero 7 came out in like 2017. So I'm trying to upgrade that so I can upgrade the content, video quality and stuff like that. It'll pick up the audio much better and stuff. There's a lot more settings. So yeah, I'm looking at the Hero 11, maybe that, because the Hero 12 is not any much different than the 11. So yeah, that's yeah, our boy need to pick up his coffee. Oh, hold up. So yeah, I'm just really waiting on like Black Friday sales, to be honest, because yo, there's some nice deals that come out. So I'm just waiting for that. Just in regards of like a new camera, GoPro, whatever it be. Even like parts like injectors, or Z1 Motorsports usually has a sale and stuff. So let's see what they do this year, and hopefully I can pick up some nice stuff that I actually need for the boost build. Yeah, so I want to rip it for you guys, but last time I did that, these cup holders are not the best. So yeah, this one tipped over and fell everywhere and made a mess. So I'm just gonna be cruising. I can't screw my coffee up, okay? I like my coffee, bro. So oh yeah, this video, title of this video will be VQ and coffee. Let's get it. Yeah, for those of you guys are watching me and supporting me, man, thank you guys so much for like watching my videos, and thank you so much for over 100,000 followers on Instagram. I can't even believe that I still have that. Like, I achieved it last year, and honestly, wow, it's still mind blown from the fact that I have 100,000 followers on Instagram, and the support is crazy. The videos went viral. You know, nobody really saw this kind of flame map before, because I have no idea. Like, there's no trick to it or at all. A lot of people are tuned by
red light camera reported ahead.
A lot of guys are
to keep a low profile on this mission.
A lot of guys are tuned from the same tuner that I'm tuned from. So Dyna Motorsports. So it's the same flame map. Remember that all ECUs part numbers are different, most of them, because mine's an early model 03, so maybe that has to do something with it, like why it's running like extra. It can run to some extra or aggressive. That's what it could be, right? So Yeah, nothing else flashy, just it's the same. I didn't tune my car, first of all, for flames. I did not want to. I'm like, if I'm gonna pay this much money, might as well just get a flame map. But I did not expect that big of flames coming out of my car. So yeah, that was a blessing, to be honest. But yeah, it's always been performance, and this channel is always gonna be about performance, making the car look good, and doing the right performance mods and stuff like that. So like, it's always gonna be like, what's the next level, right? So I'm not gonna be doing like a crazy hood exit or anything like that. Keep the car clean, make sure it looks nice, you know, all the body panels are lined up, paint is good, right? That's much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what my build's gonna be for this car. So I'm gonna be keeping this car. I love this car so much. I have a lot of history with it. I've had it for 6 years almost now, and yeah, I can't let it go, man. I have too much seat time in this car, and it's really fun. The most, I'll tell this right now, the mod that I most felt from this car was definitely the sway bars. The sway bars are crazy difference. All right, you could put engine mods on your car, and like, you know, your NA, you're not gonna really feel that too much unless you dial it in the tune. But the suspension mods, oh my goodness, man, you would feel the difference. So yeah, definitely suggest you guys getting some upgraded sway bars, to be honest, and upgrade your coilovers. And those two combined together, it'll be a really nice car, like planted. And you know, if you ever on the back roads or whatever, you know, you could just take a corner nicely, and you just feel so connected with the car. It's crazy. And then you got a downshift too on top of that. It's a manual transmission, so that is amazing to me. So yeah, that's the main reason why I'm keeping the car as well. It's a 6-speed. It's not the heaviest car. It's all right. It's definitely lighter than a G37 and a GTR. So it's a good chassis. It's better for hooking, I think, than compared to the 350 when you boost it, because there's a lot more. It's longer. The wheelbase is longer, and there's more room in the back. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my G and the update with me. I'll be doing let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I'm just literally just going off like whatever is going on through my mind. So yeah, I'll be heading to work, and see you guys in the next video, bro. I'll get that video up soon for you guys, and get back into posting at least twice a week. So thank you guys so much. Like the video, sub. I'll see you guys in the next video.